Most people think Empower gives a fixed cash advance amount to everyone. That's not how it works. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your cash advance limit is not random. It is calculated based on your income, bank activity, and spending behavior. In this video, you'll learn exactly how much you can get from Empower in 2026, what affects your limit, and how to improve your chances of getting a higher amount. Let's break it down. Empower is a financial app that may offer cash advances to eligible users. These advances are meant to help cover short-term expenses before your next paycheck. But the amount you get is different for every user. For example, Alex connects his bank account and sees an offer for a small advance. Meanwhile, his friend Jake sees a higher amount. The difference is based on financial activity, not luck. But here's the problem. This is where most people get confused. They assume signing up automatically guarantees a large cash advance. In reality, Empower uses a system that evaluates your income stability and account behavior over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest factors is your income pattern. If your paycheck is regular and predictable, the system may view you as lower risk and offer higher advance amounts. Irregular income can lead to smaller limits or no offer at all. Another factor is your bank account activity. Consistent deposits, low overdraft history, and steady spending habits can all positively influence your eligibility. In a minute, I'll show you a simple habit that may help improve your advance limit over time. Let's talk numbers. Cash advance amounts on apps like Empower often vary widely. Some users may see smaller amounts around a modest range for everyday needs, while others with stronger financial profiles may qualify for higher limits. However, these limits are not guaranteed and can change over time. But here's something important. Your limit is not permanent. It can increase or decrease depending on how your financial situation changes. If your income becomes more stable or your account activity improves, you may see higher offers later. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even small improvements in your financial behavior can matter. For example, reducing overdrafts, keeping consistent deposits, and avoiding sudden large negative balances can help the system view your account more positively. So how much can you actually get in 2026? The answer is simple. It depends on your financial profile. Some users may qualify for smaller short-term amounts, while others may access higher limits based on consistent income and responsible banking behavior. The key takeaway is this. Empower does not give one fixed amount. It adjusts based on your real financial activity, and it can change over time. If you want the best chance of getting higher limits, focus on maintaining steady income deposits and healthy account behavior. If this video helped you understand how Empower cash advances work, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.